Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and if you have a lot of stuff to carry but don't want a big bulky bag, then look no further. This HK business backpack is all you're going to need. As you can see, it is so slim, but has so many pocket capabilities. The straps are so padded and even has a little eyelet, perfect for putting your sunglasses. Inside, it has a perfect place to store your keys with an attachment that clips into the backpack. And just the capacity blew my mind. You have pens. My husband takes care of the accounts, so you can easily put the account bag in there. It's got a wonderful charging port that you can plug in a power bank, and then you can just plug in any cord that you need, whether you want to charge up your phone, your tablet. You can fit a laptop, a tablet, anything for your computer, memory bank, your charging cord. This is waterproof, so you know all of your precious electronic devices will be protected even if it is raining. If you do have a lot in this, I love how this is easily expandable and you can open it up and really pack this to capacities. It's just such an easy thing for my husband to sling on, whether he's in dress clothes. We do a lot of volunteering, so just knowing he has everything he needs, take it wherever he needs to go, and look good with his outfit to boot. This was able to help all the tasks that my husband needs to do on a daily basis, and that's my point of view.